Wowwy'z Workshop.
Brought to you by two brothers, one vision.
Well, hello, friends and family. Well, hello. And welcome back to Wowwy'z Workshop. Hopefully, you're returning. And if not, this is your first time here, hey, welcome to the family. Welcome to the tribe. You're now officially one of Wowwy'z wonders. And like I say, it's a family around here. And we hope to entertain you, inform you, hopefully maybe inspire and teach a little bit, and show a little light and love, and maybe inspire. Acts of kindness cause ripples, and those ripples go out to the world, and you just have no idea how they're going to affect the world and the people out there. Which brings us to this, another episode, and it's been a little while since we've done a Karma Carves. And that's where we use our art to perform random sometimes, but acts of kindness. As you can see, we got some watchers here holding some gifts for their intended recipients. We got LaRue in the house. Cheeky little LaRue sitting with the watchers. Much love to you, LaRue. Thank you for being here. As you can see here, we got watchers on the left of us. We got watchers on the right. We got special Two Brothers, One Vision light piece there that you can see. Look at that. Look at that spiral of my brothers. This is very, very special. This here is like a 150-year-old, that's the hub for a wagon wheel that we've turned into a light piece. Anyways, I'm sorry, I get excited here. As you can see before me, we got some gifts. Now, I'm sorry that this shot, it's not the best. Like, it might be a little bit grainy in the wide angle, but sometimes you got to pull out the old Terry Gilliam wide angle. Now, friends and family, you wonders, I'm going to tell you a little story. We came across a friend on TikTok, in the TikTok world, I like to say, and she was saying how much she loved the watchers, and inquired on seeing if she could maybe get some. Now, as you always do when this happens, you start to talk to these people. These are real people out there, you guys. Real people with real lives, real stories that matter. They matter. All of you matter very, very much. And, after I got to talking to her and stuff about why she wanted to have some watchers, and just the warrior she is and the battles that she's been facing, a mom of four that's, had some terrible stuff going on with relationships and stuff in the past, and battles with CPTSD, a real warrior, and she teaches kids with special needs. And you get all of this information. Whoa, I'm sorry, hit the camera. You get all this information because this is real world people that we're dealing with. They're not just numbers. They're not just followers or whatever you want to say. So you get their story and then why they would like to have a piece of your art, which we are very, very thankful that, Catherine, that you love them so much. So, long story short, I didn't feel right by taking her money. She wanted 3. She wants one for her friend and then a special one for her daughter, I believe. And I just, we talked about it, and she agreed that she would be more than happy to cover the shipping. She was very, very happy to receive these gifts from us. And I'm just happy to be able to do it, I'm not doing these videos to blow smoke up our butt. This is just showing you how you can use your artwork and you can use your shine, because we're all lighthouses out there doing our best and shining our lights, and maybe you can help somebody that's still out there in the storm. That's the whole reason and idea for this, and to be a lighthouse. And we're gonna frickin' do it, man. We are going to shine our best. And with these watchers, I've included a matching set. Now these aren't the best. I'll put in pictures, but these are antique lamp keys. And you know what, guys? I'm actually going to switch you to a little bit overhead so it's easier to see these things. So I'll be right back. Here we are. That's much better. So, yeah, I didn't have a whole bunch, but I found these two matching lamp keys. And again, using the lamp key to represent light, a representation of light and love. And there's two of them. And as always with our blung from Two Brothers, One Vision, what does yours stand for? Because that's what I love most about blung, is that that key can be a key to anything, to the person that owns it and wears it. And that token can absorb energy, and it can absorb dreams, and it can be your key to love. You can be your key to happiness, to hope, for all of it. It can encompass all of it. But that's the magic of blung. Okay, we've got some other stickers, and like we've talked about. I actually saw on her TikTok that she posted a thing the other day, and it was a small poem about being a lighthouse, and I found that very, very, actually gave me a chill. We have a good friend from the wood carving world, Stephen S. Carvings, and he made us some very, very special little ornaments of our symbol. Now, for those of you that don't know, and you see it everywhere on our channel, that's our symbol for Two Brothers, One Vision, but it holds so much meaning, and that symbol alone means hope. Of course, I can't send a gift like we got these from Amazon. There's little Poppy Dog, my princess. So they're going to get one of those too. But there's a squirrel for Catherine and a little write-up. But most of all, I want her to take these gifts, feel the love, feel the power, and continue to be a warrior. Keep doing what you're doing. You're doing amazing. It was very, very nice to meet you. And I love that you love our art the way you do. May these gifts find you with light and love. And it's time to pack them up. But while I've been talking, I've been thinking, and there's one more thing. Just a second. And that missing piece was blunglings. Ah, yes. Blunglings for the younglings. Can't forget the kids, right, guys? Because if she loves her kids the way our mom loves us, I know that there ain't nothing like being able to give your little one a little surprise gift. And again, those, let me just turn that there. Those represent dreams. Those represent love. Yeah, all these things that a little key like that can represent. It's a token, a very powerful token. So I hope when she gives these to them, she tells them that these are very, 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 very powerful little tokens that hold much magic. Because they do. Okay, guys, gonna get this packed up and off to her and her loved ones. Thank you for watching. And as always, there is no YouTube without you. And that's just the pure truth of it. All right, let's get this all packaged up nice, the way we do it. And off to Catherine and her loved ones. Much love.
Two brothers, one vision.